Well, have you seen the material, Bapak Ibu?
Yes, sir.
I see.
Yeah. So today we are going to discuss what the discussion text. Well, let's begin, Bapak Ibu. Kita mulai ya. Ya, nanti kita menyusul yang lain. Ini ada yang masuk, saya cek dulu ya. Well, Bapak Ibu, today we are going to discuss a text. It is called discussion text. Well, discussion text is like expositions, but the difference is in discussion text there are two-sided argument. There is a argument for and argument against. And expositions, the text begin with a thesis, but in discussions is about issue. So discussions begin with issue. Jadi kalau pada eksposisi itu dimulai dengan thesis or statement, ya, thesis or statement, but in discussions begin with issue. Jadi untuk diskusi itu dimulai dengan isu. Well, so kinds of argument, there are two-sided argument for and argument against. Jadi isu itu nanti akan membawa ke pendapat atau argumen yang mungkin satu dan yang lain bertentangan. Yang satu katakanlah setuju, yang lain tidak. Well, so it's called argument. Ini masih banyak yang masuk. Well, the first one, focus one, we are going to the advantages and disadvantages of nuclear power. Well, number one, do you know kinds of electrical power? And number two, have you heard about nuclear power. And so number one, you can answer with yes, I do, or no, I don't. But number two, have you heard? So you just say yes, I have, or no, I haven't. Well, as usual, I'll call you one by one. Ya. Saya coba untuk panggil Bapak satu persatu ya. Ya, sambil menyapa Bapak Ibu. Ya, Pak Ahmad Nurfayi.
Yes,
Pak
sir.
Ahmad Nurfayi. Questions number 1 and number 2.
Question number 1. Do you know kind of electrical power? Yes, I do.
Yes, I do. Good.
Yes, I do. Number 2. Have you heard about the nuclear power? Yes, I have.
Okay, great. Good. Very good, Pak. The questions using do you? Yes, I do. And the second one using have you? Yes, I have. Okay, good. Very good. Pak Basuki.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, question number 1 and number 2.
Yeah. Let me read the question first, sir.
Yeah, you may, Pak. Yes, this is the question.
Yeah. Do you know kind of electrical power? Yes, I do. Then number 2, have you heard about the nuclear power? Yes, I have.
Okay, good. Very good, Pak. Yeah. Then go ahead, Pak Bila. Bila.
Good.
Pak Bila.
Excuse me.
Yeah, questions number 1 and number 2, Pak Bila. Questions number 1 and number 2.
Yes, yes. Do you know the type of electrical power? Yes. Have you heard of nuclear power? Yes, I have.
Yes, I have. Yeah. Number 1, yes.
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do. Okay. Yeah. Thank you, Pak Bila.
Yes, sir.
Well, then go ahead, Pak Chandra. Number 2.
Number 1, do you know kind of electrical power? Yes, I do. Number 2, have you heard about the nuclear power? Yes, I have. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah, thank you, Pak Chandra. Pak Darli.
Yes, sir. Number 1.
Yeah, questions
Do
number
you
1
know
and
kind
number
of
2, Pak Darli.
electrical power? Yes, I do. Number 2. Have you heard about the nuclear power? Yes, I have.
Yeah, okay, good, Pak Darli. Pudian, thank you, Pak Darli. Pudian.
Yes, sir. Number 1, do you know kind of electrical powers? Yes, I do. Nuclear power? Yes, I have. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, welcome to Pak Alan.
Yes, sir.
Pak Alan. Number 1, number 2, Pak Alan.
Yes. The answer of number 1 is yes, I do. And then number 2, yes, I have.
Okay, Pak Alan, thank you. Bu Edwin.
Yes, sir. Answer for number 1, yes, I do. And for number 2, yes, I have. Thank you.
Thank you. Bu Edwin. Pak Suyoto. Pak Suyoto. Pak Fathur.
Yes, sir. Number 1, do you know kind of electrical powers? Yes, I do. Number 2, have you heard about the nuclear power? Yes, I have. Thank you,
Okay,
yes, sir.
Pak Fatul, thank you. Bu Vita,
Yes, sir.
question number 1, number 2.
Do you know kind of electrical powers? Yes, I do. Number 2, have you heard about the have you heard about the nuclear power? Yes, I have.
Okay, thank you, Bu Vita.
You're welcome, sir.
Bu Fitria,
Yes, sir.
Bu
Answer number
Fitria.
yes, I do. Answer number 2, yes, I have. Thank you, sir.
Ya, thank you, Bu Fitriana. Pak Hari,
Yes, sir. Number 1, do you know kind of electrical powers? Yes, I do. Number 2, have you heard about the nuclear power? Yes, I have. Thank you.
okay, Bu Ida. Bu Ida Sofida.
Yes, sir. Number 1, yes, I do. Number 2, yes, I have.
Bu Ida. Bu Ida.
Yes, sir. Yes, I do. Number 2, yes, I have.
Thank you, Bu Ida Yubeda. Bu Ika. Ika Widyarini. Bu Ika Widyaruni.
Number 1, yes, I do. Number 2, yes, I have.
Thank you, Bu Ika. Pak Sarjito.
Yes, sir. Number 1, yes, I do. Number 2, yes, I have.
Ya, Sarjito. Bu Ulfa.
Yes, sir. Number
Number 1,
one.
number 2.
Yeah. Number 1, yes, I do. Number 2, yes, I have. Thank you, sir.
Welcome, Bu. Bu Nisa.
Yes, sir. 1, yes, I do. Number 2, yes, I have.
Thank you, Bu Nisa. Pak Nur Edi.
Yes, sir. Number 1, do you know kind of electrical powers? Yes, I do. Number 2, have you heard about the nuclear power? Yes,
Thank
you,
you,
sir.
Pak Nur Edi. Bu Rini.
Do you know kind of electrical powers? Yes, I do. Have you heard about the nuclear powers? Yes, I have.
Thank you, Bu Rini. Bu Siti Walia.
Yes, sir. Number 1, yes, I do. Number 2, yes, I have.
Bu Supiha.
Yes, sir. Number 1, do you know kind of electrical powers? Yes, I do. Number 2, have you heard about the nuclear power? Yes, I have. Thank you.
Welcome, Bu. Pak Sulis.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Pak Sulis.
Okay, number 1, yes, I do. Number 2, yes, I have. Thank you.
Welcome, Pak Sulis. Thank you. Bu Pak Saifi.
Yes, sir. Number 1, yes, I do. Number 2, yes, I have.
Thank you, Pak Saifi.
Welcome.
Pak Taufik.
Yes, sir. Number 1, do you know kind of electrical powers? Yes. Heard about the nuclear power? Yes, I have.
Thank you, Pak Taufik. Pak Trimulyo. Pak Dion.
Yes, sir. Number one, do you know kind of electrical power? Yes, I do. Number two, have you heard about the nuclear power? Yes, I have. Thank you, sir.
Welcome, Pak Dion. Tuti.
Yes, sir. Number one, yes, I do. Number two, yes, I have. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you, Bu Tuti. Bu Ustin.
Number one, yes, I do. Number two, yes, I have.
Thank you, Bu Ustin. Well, go ahead. Next question. Questions number 3. What do you know about nuclear power? Number 3. You are going to answer number 3. What do you know about nuclear power?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Number 3.
Ya, Pak Fatul.
Number 3.
Ini Pak Fatul.
What do you know about nuclear power? Nuclear power is the controlled use of nuclear energy used for power plant. Number 4. What is nuclear power used for? Is used for number 1, power plant. Number 2, food. Number 3, health. Medical equipment and health product. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you, Pak Fatul. So, Pak Fatul answer questions number 3 and number 4. Well, who are going to repeat the answer? Questions number 3.
My answer.
Yes, you may, Pak.
Yeah, but what number 3? Question number 3. What do you know about nuclear power? Nuclear power is a form of energy used to generate electricity. Number.
Okay, yeah, Pak. Number 4.
What is nuclear power used for? Nuclear power is used to generate electricity.
Used to generate electricity. Okay, well, thank you, Pak Nur. Well, from others, you are going to repeat the answer. Number 3.
I try, sir.
Yeah, you may put.
I'm sorry, I'm late. For number 3, what do you know about nuclear power? Nuclear power is energy generated from the reaction between particles in the atom. What is nuclear power used for? For power plants, agriculture, health, industry, natural resources, and the environment. Thank you, sir.
Well, very complete answer, Bu. Yeah. Bu Ike. Well, number 4. Still number 3 and number 4. No one?
May I try?
Yes, you may go. Purini.
Nuclear power is one of Power resource. Beside wind, sun, sunlight, coal, and what is it? Gas, and what is it? From under and under process. And the use nuclear power is used one of the use of nuclear power of electric friend.
Well, thank you, Bu. So, there are many arguments about there are many descriptions, yeah, about nuclear power. Well, then go ahead, activity 2. Read the text repeatedly and answer the question following. Well, questions number 1. What is the function of first paragraph? What is the function of first paragraph?
Number, yes, sir?
Yeah, you may, Pak Fatul.
Number 1, what is the function of the first paragraph? The function of the paragraph is explain the origins of nuclear power and the world's first nuclear power plant. Thank you.
Yeah, thank. Well, from others, the question is, what is the function of first paragraph? The function of first paragraph.
May I, sir?
Yeah, you may, Pak.
What is the function of the first paragraph? To explain about nuclear power and its first use.
Yeah, to explain about nuclear, what it is used. Yeah. Well,
excuse me, sir. May I have another answer?
Yeah, Pak Sulis.
Number 1, the function is that to state an issue about nuclear power.
Exactly, Pak Sulis. So the function of first paragraph is advantages and disadvantages of nuclear power. Well, thank you, Pak Sulis. Very correct answer. Well, number 2. Which paragraph state argument for the issue? So there are two kinds of argument for and argument against. So which paragraph state argument for?
Third paragraph, sir.
Paragraph 3.
Paragraph 3, third paragraph. Yeah. What about paragraph 2? Paragraph 2?
Supporting paragraph 1.
Still supporting paragraph 1. So, then from others, with paragraph state argument for the issue.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you may, Pak.
Maybe paragraph 2 because there are sentence, people are increasingly concerned about this matter.
Yeah. So people concerned about this matter. What paragraph 3, Pak? Siapa tadi? Pak Ahmad. Pak Ahmad ya. What about paragraph 3? Pak Fatpur?
Yes.
What about paragraph 3, Pak Fatpur?
Paragraph 2. Paragraph 2. In the 1990s, nuclear power was
laptopmu.
Well, paragraph 3 belongs to argument 4 or argument again? Well, Pak Villa.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Pak Villa. Number 2, which paragraph states argument 4?
Number 2, which paragraph states the argument for the issue?
Which paragraph, Pak Villa?
Paragraph 3, sir.
Paragraph 3.
Yes.
What about paragraph 2?
Paragraph 3 or 2?
What about paragraph 2 or just paragraph 3?
I'm so sorry, sir. I don't know.
Yeah, okay. Well, back to Pak Sulis. Pak Sulis.
Yes.
Questions number 2, Pak Sulis.
Yes, sir.
Question number 2.
Paragraph that states the argument for the issue is paragraph 2 and paragraph 3.
Paragraph 2 and paragraph 3. Well, good, Pak Sulis. So, the issue is paragraph 1 and followed by argument 4. Argument 4 belongs to paragraph 2 and paragraph 3. Well, then number 3, which paragraph states argument again, the issue? Which paragraph states argument again? Paragraph 4. How do paragraph 4. How do you know, Bu?
Refer to
Refers to the text.
to the title text.
Yeah.
This appendix.
Disadvantage. Yeah, Bu, yeah. Okay. Well, the others, Bu Rini?
Paragraph 4, on the words on the other hand, it means contrast.
Well, okay, exactly. Yeah, exactly. To show the different ideas, there is conjunction on the other hand. Ya. Untuk menunjukkan ide yang beda, di situ ada konjungsi on the other hand. Yeah, it means contrast. So this idea belongs to this idea is different from previous one. So paragraph 4 belongs to a human again. Okay. Well, then to have next question. How is number 4. Number 4. What does the text tell us about? Yeah. Number 4.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, you may go.
The text tells us about the advantages and disadvantages of the nuclear power.
Okay, exactly true. The text talk about advantages and disadvantages of nuclear power. Well, number 5. Number 5. How is the text organized? Ya, tadi sudah kita diskusikan ya. Tadi dari Pak Sulis menyebutkan pertama tadi apa ya, kedua apa, kemudian berikutnya apa. So, number 5, how is the text organized? Well, we are going to answer number 5.
Let me try. So,
Yeah, you may go.
the text is organized by first the issue under discussion, and then followed by the arguments for the issue, and then ended by the arguments against the issue.
Well, okay. The text is organized with the first beginning with issue, yeah, then followed by argument for and argument against the issue. What do you think of the last one, the last paragraph?
Just like a suggestion, sir?
Suggestion, yeah, suggestion or recommendation?
Recommendation. Recommendation.
So,
What is the difference?
yeah, so it is not only suggestion, yeah, it's not only suggestions. There are still two stated argument, ya. Ya, masih ada dua yang dipertentangkan ini ya. But the recommendation is, however, so this one, from this one, recommendation. Well, so you can say the whole organization of the text.
Okay. From the first one, start with the issue on the discussion, and then followed by the arguments for the issue, and then arguments against the issue, and then ended by the recommendation.
Recommendation. Okay. Thank you, Urini. So in text begin with issues and followed by argument for, and then argument again, and The last one is recommendation. Well, search different exposition. In an exposition, just one-sided argument. Kemarin Bapak Ibu hanya ada satu argumen ya. Ya di sini ada dua argumen, yaitu argumen for and argument against. Jadi ini kalau ini dipisah menjadi type eksposisi. Tapi kalau dijadikan satu antara argument against, argument for, argument against menjadi type discussion. Well, then go ahead. Equation 2. Bapak Ibu, equation. Number 1, what is the issue of the text? What is the issue of the text?
Nuclear power.
Advantage and disadvantage the nuclear power.
Yeah, refers to first paragraph. First paragraph. Issue ada di first paragraph. What is the issue?
Nuclear
power is generated by using uranium, which is metal line in various parts of the world.
Well, okay. So this is the issue. Then go ahead. Tadi Purini ya?
Yes, sir.
Well, number 2. What is nuclear power generated? Number 2. Yeah. One more.
Nuclear power is generated.
Yeah. By uranium. Well, ini atau Bu Siti tadi yang jawab? Yang pertama tadi? Purini, ya. Purini, okay. Purini and Bu Siti. Well, thank you. Good. Well, number 3, what happened? Yeah. What happened? Yeah. In Culture Hill, in Cumbria, England, in 1956. Well, number 3, what happened?
I think so.
What happened?
The facility of nuclear power station is opened.
Okay, good. Exactly. Yeah. The first large scale of nuclear power station was opened. Yeah. Thank you, Bu.
Siti, Pak.
Bu Siti. Exactly.
Yeah.
Well, then what are the advantages of nuclear power? What are the advantages of nuclear power? Well, you are going to answer the advantages of nuclear power. Yeah, you may, Bu.
Again, the advantages of nuclear power are number 1,
yeah,
it's about the same coal, so it is not expensive to make. Number 2, it doesn't produce smoke or carbon dioxide, so it doesn't contribute to the greenhouse effect. huge amounts of energy for small amount of uranium. Number 4, it produces small amount of waste. And number 5, it is reliable. Thank you.
Okay, good, very good. So, who answers? Who are going to repeat? Who David answer?
Me,
May
sir.
I try to?
Ya, you may Bu atau Pak ya. Ya, Bu Eri.
Yes, sir.
Bu Eri, so,
Number
ya, Bu
one.
Eri and Pak Taufik ya. Bu Eri and Pak Taufik. Ya. Bu Eri
Yes.
first.
Yes. Number one, it costs about the same coal, so it is not expensive to make. Number
Ya,
two.
ini ada tulisan yang salah ya. Fancy.
Yes,
Well,
sir.
ya.
Number two, it does not product it does not product smoke or carbon dioxide, so it does not contribute to the greenhouse effect. Number three, products high amount of energy from small amount of uranium. Number four, it products small amount of wood. Number five, it is reliable. Thank you, sir.
Well, okay, Bu. Bu Ari ya tadi ya.
Ya, Pak. Ya, Mister.
Ya, Bu Ari. Ya, so you know the difference between product and produce.
Produk itu berat hasil. Kalau produce menghasilkan ya.
Yeah, that's right. So product is noun, and produce verb, ya. Produce verb, product noun. So produce yang ini. Well, then Pak Taufik ya, Pak Taufik. Well, you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
The advantage of nuclear plants are as follow. Number one, it costs about the same coal, so it is not expensive to make. Smoke or carbon dioxide, so it does not contribute to the greenhouse effect. Number three, it produces huge amount of energy from. Number four, it produces small amount of waste. Number five, it is reliable.
Well, thank you, Pak Taufik. Well, then number 5. Where is nuclear power dangerous? Number 5.
Number 5. Yes, sir. Number 5.
Yeah.
Because it must be sealed up and buried for many years to allow the radioactivity to be away. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you, Pak Fatur. Well, from others?
May I answer?
Yeah, you may, Pak.
Yes, thank you. Number 5. Why is nuclear power dangerous? Because it produces the radioactive waste.
Well, thank you, Pak. This different opinion.
Yes.
Thank you, Pak.
You're welcome, sir.
Alan, Pak Alan. Well, the question is why is nuclear power dangerous?
I want to answer, sir.
Ya, you may, Pak.
Okay, because if it does go wrong, a nuclear accident can be a major catastrophe to the world.
Okay, exactly, Pak Dharma. Yeah,
Thank you, sir.
exactly. Yeah. So this effect, yeah. Why is effect? Yeah. Why is effect? And it must be sealed up. Yeah. It must be sealed up is a prevention. Yeah. So this one is the effect. If it does go wrong. Well, number 6. Why can't? Yeah. Number 6. I think it's almost the same idea with number 5. Hampir ya, hampir sama. Well, number 6. Number 6.
May I, sir?
Ya, you may, Pak.
Okay, why can nuclear accidents be major catastrophe? Because the nuclear power can produce radioactive waste, and it can it dangerous to human health. The radioactive waste also remain for years. That's it, sir.
Yeah. Well, a good idea, Pak. Pak Alan. Yeah, Pak Alan.
Thank you, sir.
Boleh. Please, complete.
Well, from others, lagi yang lain?
Because if it does go wrong.
Yeah, that okay, but is the right one, I think. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
It does go wrong, so it can be an accident. Well, thank you. Who
Pak.
Putih, ya, Putih. Well, the following about advantages and disadvantages of nuclear power and recommendation given by the writer. Well, so you have to complete advantages and disadvantages and recommendation, ya. Walaupun tadi sudah dijawab, ya, mungkin Bapak Ibu bisa menyebutkan lagi advantages, disadvantages, and the recommendation.
I want to mention for the advantages of the nuclear powers here.
Yeah, you may, Pak Dharma.
Okay, the advantages of nuclear power are, first, it costs about the same coal, so it is not expensive to make. Second, it does not produce smoke or carbon dioxide, so it does not contribute to the greenhouse effect. Third, it produces huge amount of energy from small amount of uranium. Fourth, it produces small amount of waste. And the last one is, it is reliable. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Pak Dharma. And
May I
well,
try?
disadvantages, yeah, you may go.
The disadvantages of nuclear power are: one, nuclear power is very, very dangerous. Then, although it is reliable, a lot of money has to be spent on safety.
Yeah, thank you, Bu Rini. And the last recommendation, what is the recommendation?
May I try, sir?
Yeah, you may go.
The recommendation is special precaution should be as the safety of the well-being is our main concern.
Well, thank you, Bu. Bu siapa tadi? Bu Dewi. Bu Dewi. Yeah, Bu Dewi. Well, thank you, Bu Dewi. Well, we are going to repeat the answers from Bu Dewi. Recommendation. Well, the recommendation. Well, once more, Bu Devi, you can begin with however, Bu Devi.
Okay, sir. The recommendation is, however, the special precaution should be taken in terms to handle the radioactivity, as the safety of the well-being is our main concern.
Ya, however-nya juga bisa dihilangkan langsung from the facial. Yeah. Well, thank you, Bu Dewi.
You're welcome, sir.
Well, then activity 5. Fill in the blank with appropriate form of the verb. Well, number 1 as the example, educate and education. Ya, you can identify from the phrase. Ya, Bapak itu bisa mengidentifikasi dari frase atau mungkin clause. Ya, di sini ada another through in. Oh, berarti di sini tidak mungkin ini verb educate, ya. Mestinya di sini education. Sedangkan di sini ada subject, kemudian diikuti objek. Oh, di sini mestinya predicate. Kalau predicate berarti verb, ya. Oleh karenanya educate, itu ya, Bapak Ibu. Then number 2, available, ya. Available adjective, availability noun. Nah, mana yang menempati predicate itu berarti noun di sini, ya, mungkin kita menemukan di sini. Ya, di sini noun ya Bapak Ibu ya. Teh, ya, my pen, my book ya, mestinya di sini noun. Karena di sini setelah dua kata ini ada predicate di sini ya, ada predicate. Maka tidak mungkin false. Well, number 1 has been answered. Then number 2. Number 2, silahkan yang mau mencoba number 2.
May I try? Okay. Fresh fruit and vegetables are always available in the summer, but their availability lessens in the other seasons.
Well, why do you choose available bro?
Okay. Available itu kan tersedia. There are to be are, ada are-nya.
Ya, oke. Karena ada a, ya, karena ada a di sini, maka setelah b, ya, setelah b biasanya kalau tidak adjective ya noun, ya noun. Tapi di sini ada always ya, always. Nah, ada sangat mungkin di sini adalah adjective, available. Dan what about di sini? Kenapa itu milih availability?
Di situ ada there.
Ada there.
Ya.
Yang menyatakan milik ya Bu ya, posesif ya, kemudian diikuti dengan benda ya.
Yes.
Diikuti benda. Oke, thank you. Well, number 3.
May I try though?
Ya, you may Bu. Ya, ini masih ada ya. Masih banyak yang gabung. Ya. You may Bu. Bu Rini. Bu Ika. Bu Ika Marisa.
Yes, sir.
Ya, you may Bu.
I'll try the answer. Magic trick is deceptive because it is not really magic. Magicians deceive us with their trick, but we enjoy their deceptions.
Okay, very good answer, Bu. Any explanation, Bu? Why do you choose that?
Number 1 yang deceptive, diikuti sebelumnya ada is ya, to be. Deceptive, adjective.
Ya, to be, kemudian diikuti adjective.
Terus magician itu
subjek
verb.
Ya. Magician, subjek, kemudian ada objek, mestinya tengahnya ada predicate jadi ya. Predicate pasti verb ya.
Yeah.
Verb, okay.
And the last deception, noun, because
Noun,
ada their.
Ya, karena
their
di situ ada
deception.
posesif, biasanya berikutnya adalah noun. Oke, thank you Bu. Ya, thank you.
You're welcome.
Number 4. Number 4. Well, number 4. We are going to try number 4.
May I?
Yeah, you may go. Yeah, good evening.
Many people are too dependent on their dictionaries when they read in foreign language. This dependence prevents them from learning to read rapidly. They should try not to depend so much on their dictionaries.
Okay, very good answer, Bu. So can you give me some explanation? Bu?
Number one, are too dependent on. It could be.
Number one.
Yes, it could be. What is it? Adjective, sir. Because there are.
Should be apa?
And then
di situ, apalagi di situ ada kata to, kemudian ada kata on. Ya, ada kata to yang berarti
terlalu
intensif, ya, yang terlalu. Ya, ya. Then,
and then this dependence using noun because followed by
when on to. When on to.
Because followed by prevents, it would focus. Followed by focus.
Okay, exactly, Bu. There is prevent as verb, and after this it should be noun as subject, ya Bu ya, sebagai subjek gitu ya. Okay, then
they should try not to depend. Depend means verb. There are two verbs. Yeah, there are two verbs. Try not.
Well, because it's to infinitive, ya Bu ya.
Yes, to infinitive.
Try to. To infinitive should be verb, ya. 2 plus verb 1. Okay. Well, thank you, Bu. Then go ahead, number 5. Number 5.
May I try again?
Yeah, you may, Bu.
Invention in the stock market should diversify their holdings. That is, they should not put all their money into the stock. They should buy many different stocks. This diversity will keep them from losing all their money if the price of one stock goes down.
Once more, Bu. Once more. Ya, tadi saya coba ngetik jadi apa? Tidak konsen tadi. Coba once more, Bu. Bisa diulang?
Intention in the stock market should diversify their holdings. That is, they should not put all their money into one stock. They should buy many different stocks. This diversity will keep them from losing all their money if the price of one stock goes down.
Yeah, okay, good. Very good answer. So can you explain your answer, Bu?
Yes. Invention in the stock market should be followed by verb.
Yeah, should be followed by verb. So the verb?
Diversify.
Okay, good. Very good, Bu.
And then they should buy many different stocks. Many,
Mhm.
it means amount. And then stop, verb could be differs
Mhm.
as adjective.
So, adjective, exactly, Bu. Okay, Bu.
And
Then,
this diversity will keep them from losing. It means this should followed by noun as a subject.
okay, exactly, Bu. As subject. Okay, good. Very good explanation. Well, number 6.
May I, sir?
Yeah, you may, Pak Sulis.
Thank you. Okay. Some people will play golf in any kind of weather. They do not need the encouragement of a sunny. I did not know if I should apply at the university or not because my grades were not very good. Then my uncle wrote to me and encouraged me to apply. Bukan supply ya.
Yeah.
So,
yeah, that's right, Pak.
So I did, and I was accepted. I am very grateful to my uncle for his encouraging letter.
Yeah, can you explain, Pak Sulis?
Okay, the first encouragement, the should be followed by noun. After the, then noun. Before of, also noun. So the encouragement of a sunny day is a noun phrase. Okay, next, encourage, past tense ya, encourage. There are two verbs. The first verb is wrote. The second verb is encourage. The subject is my uncle. My uncle. And then object, me. The predicate consists of two verbs. Verb 2, wrote and encourage.
Okay, good, very good, Pak Sulis.
Okay, the last is his encouraging letter. This is noun phrase. Letter is noun, so must be preceded by adjective. Encouraging.
Okay. Thank you, Pak Sulis. Good explanation. Well, number 7.
May I, sir?
Yeah.
May I try?
Yeah, you may go.
Okay, thank you. Television can provide inspiration for people to do something good for other people. For example, when the result of a catastrophe, such as an earthquake, are shown on TV, many people are inspired to send money or clothing to them.
Well, okay, aku bikin explanation, Bu.
Yes, sir?
Could you give an explanation?
Okay, the explanation is I choose inspiration from the first answer because there is verb before the blank words. Nah, jadi ada kata provide yaitu verb. Jadi
As
diikuti
object, ya, Bu, ya?
Yes, as object.
As object, ya.
Okay.
Then
there is are, ada kata are. So it is like passive. It inspired. Terinspirasi.
ya, terinspirasi ya, Bu, ya. Well, keterangan ya, Bu, ya.
Yes,
Well,
sir.
okay, thank you, Bu. Well, number 8. Number 8. Number 8.
May I try?
Yeah, you may. You may, Bu.
Some reports are investigative reporters. They investigate situations truthfully, sometimes for a few weeks and sometimes for less than a year. Then they reveal the results for their investigation.
Well, okay. Could you give an explanation, Bu?
Yes. Some reports are investigative reporters. Reporters, a person, it means before noun should be, and that is broken by R.
Yeah, it says phrase, yeah. So it's investigative reporters as phrase. Before nouns, adjective. Well, okay. Good.
And then they investigate, they accept the verb.
Refer as predicate. Yeah.
And then they reveal the result for their investigation. There
Yeah, investigation. Very good, very good. Happy to not given. Number 1.
true.
Yeah.
True.
Number 1.
Number 1, true.
Number 1, true.
True.
Okay. Then number 2.
False.
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 False. Number 3.
False.
Number 3.
False.
False. Ya. Number 3, false. Salahnya di mana, Bu? Number 3.
And the percentage of the wind energy.
11%.
The percentage.
11%. Okay. Yeah. Then number 4.
False.
Number 4.
Not given.
Not given. Ya, not given. Ya, tidak ada di tag. Ya, mungkin benar tapi tidak ada di tag.
Amerika
Well, number
Serikat.
5. Number 5.
True.
True.
False or true? Yang sama apanya, Bu? Nuclear power dengan batu bara masa sama?
Cost. It costs about the
Yeah.
same coal.
The same?
Sama energinya.
Ya. Tapi di atas ya. Ya ini ya, Bu, ya. At cost
Ya,
ya. Cost. Jadi bukan sama barangnya ya. Well, number 5. True or false? Kalau ini sama barangnya ya.
False.
Sama barangnya. Ya, false. Ya, oke. Well, understanding and using grammar, using conjunctions. Ya, Bapak Ibu, just look at the conjunction used ya. Bapak Ibu silahkan lihat konjungsinya. Yang dipul ini ya, yang dipul. Conjunction S. Then so. On the other hand, furthermore, although, because, ya, because, if, ya ini dua ya, bukan because of, tapi because, if, rather. On the other hand itu kontras. However, kontras. Furthermore, addition. Furthermore, addition. Because cause and effect. If cause and effect. Although konsesi. Well, Bapak Ibu, please fill in the blank with the conjunction, with correct conjunction. You can find the conjunctions with understanding the meaning. Apakah itu kontras? Kalau kontras, Bapak Ibu bisa menggunakan but, bisa menggunakan however, bisa menggunakan nevertheless. Bapak Ibu kalau addition, berarti Bapak Ibu bisa menggunakan furthermore, bisa menggunakan also, ya itu ya. Kalau cause and effect, ya, Bapak Ibu bisa menggunakan so, S juga bisa, F juga bisa, tapi kalau konsesi, Bapak Ibu menggunakan although. Ya, silakan Bapak Ibu lihat di sini ada contoh ya konsesi. Ini ada contoh konsesi. Well, then number one Bapak Ibu. Number one, silakan Bapak Ibu pilih di sini ada untuk ya, banyak But however, silakan Bapak Ibu. Number one, who are doing try number one.
May I, sir?
Yeah, you may go to Devi, to Sitiwali. Yeah, to Sitiwali.
Although the weather was extremely hot, they went jogging in the park.
Okay. Correct. Although, yeah. Although. Number two.
May I, sir?
Yeah, you may go.
It was raining. However, we went to the zoo.
Yeah. Yeah. However. Yeah. What do you choose, however?
Namun,
Mengapa kok tidak but?
there are apa ya? Kontrasnya.
Kontras. Why not but? Padahal kan juga kalau kontras bisa but.
Maybe kalau but ada dua kalimat dalam satu kalimat.
Yeah,
kalau
okay, yeah, exactly. Because there are two sentences as internal conjunction use however, not but, ya, karena dalam ada di dua kalimat, ya, bukan satu kalimat. Oke. Kalimat yang beda. Well, number 3. Number 3.
May I try?
Yeah, you may go.
Although I tried to be careful, I still fallen on the road.
Okay. What do you use although to? Not however.
That is still contrast means what is it?
Maknanya kontras atau konsesi?
Kontras.
Kontras. Kalau kontras, kenapa tidak memilih but atau however?
Berarti lebih ke
although, yeah, okay, good, very good, yeah. Well, number 4 ini mungkin salah ketik ya. Number 4 mungkin namanya harus beda ya. Well, number 5. Ini satu kalimat ya. Ini satu kalimat. Well, number 5.
May I try, sir?
Yeah, you may go.
The crime rate has continued to rise, although the local police department has implemented several new crime prevention programs.
Oke, Bu. Ya. Konsepsi ya. Seperti number 3. Well. Number 6.
May I try? Also, although Pat has always been easy for him, he understands it is not easy for everyone. As a result, he is a good teacher.
Well, okay, cool. Yeah, still conversation. Well, number 7.
May I, sir?
Yeah.
It was cold. I went swimming.
Ya, it was cool. However, I went swimming. Ya, mestinya cool.
Mestinya not swimming.
Ya, di situ titik ya, titik ya. However, I went swimming. Ya. Dua kalimat yang beda. Well, number 8. Number 8.
Sally was very sad, but he smiled and pretended to be having an
Yeah. What is the answer, Bu? Tadi suaranya tidak jelas. Sally was very sad.
Sam was very sad, but he smiled and pretended to smile.
Kontras, ya. Ya, sad and smile. Okay, ya. Number 9. Number 9.
May I, sir?
Yeah, you may answer this.
Elizabeth is United States, full stop. However, she has to pay income taxes anyway.
Ya, ketika itu full stop, maka pilihannya however. Tetapi kalau koma, Pak Aslam, tulis koma.
There is only two choices, however, or but.
Yeah,
from
so-
dokumen dari perintahnya ada dua, yaitu pilihannya however atau but. So the answer should be however or but. But this is using comma. Maybe we should change from comma to full stop.
So we have changed stop for however. Well, number 10.
I will try, sir.
Yeah, you may. Go.
Although Henry Johnson is an honest politician, I would never vote for him because I don't agree with his position on foreign policy. Thank you, sir.
Well, okay, good. Concession, ya. Well, thank you. Well, read the text once more. Ya, tadi kelihatannya sudah disebutkan ya.
Ya, sudah tadi, Pak.
Sudah ya. Oleh kalau nggak salah
Dharma.
Pak Dharma sama Kurini ya. Pak Dharma sama Kurini. Oke. Well, go ahead. Signifikan. Ya, ini tertarik nggak Pak itu? Kalau nggak tertarik kita bisa loncat.
It's okay, sir. It is
It's okay.
important
It's okay.
matter.
Yeah. Yeah. So Pak Sulis agree with. Yeah. Okay. Well, essay reading activity. Number 1, have you watched a film entitled Dua Garis Biru? Yes, I have, or no, I haven't. Is
No,
sex
I haven't.
education important? Yeah. Well, I will ask you one by one, ya. Ini biar bisa nyapa Bapak Ibu. Number 1 and number 2. Yeah, number 1 and number 2. Yes, I have, or no, I haven't. Yes, it is, or no, it isn't. What about number 3? Yeah, number 1, number 2, and number 3. Ya, begitu ya Bapak Ibu ya. Well, from text to Pak Ahmad Nurfawi, number 1, number 2, and number 3. Pak Chandra. Pak Chandra?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, questions number 1, number 3, Pak Chandra.
Number 1, I have you watch a film at Theater Dua Garis Biru? No, I haven't.
No, I haven't.
Number 2, is sex education important? Yes, it is.
Yes.
Number
okay.
3, where should sex education be offered? At school, at home? Thank you, sir.
At school and at home. Yeah. Okay. Well, Bu Dewi Masito. Thank you, Pak Chandra. Bu Dewi Masito. Bu Dewi Masito. Bu Dewi standing room.
Number 1, no, I haven't. Number 2, number 3, it should be applied at home and school. Thank
Okay,
you.
good, Bu Dewi, thank you. When Putian Ekasari.
Yes, sir.
Putian Eka.
Yes.
Number 1, number 2, number 3.
Okay. Number 1, have you watched a film entitled Dua Garis Biru? Yes, I have. Number 2, is sex education important? Yes, it is. Number 3, where should sex education be applied? Sex education be applied first at home and then the second at the school. Thank you, sir.
Number 1, no, I haven't. Question number 2, yes, it is. Question number 3, at home and at school. Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Bu Edwin. Pak Fatur.
Question 1. Have you watched a film entitled Dua Garis Biru? No, I haven't. Is sex education important? Yes, it is. Number 3. Where should sex education be applied? In home and at school.
Ya, thank you Pak Fatur. Pak Hari.
Yes, sir. Number one, have you watched a film entitled Dua Garis Biru? No, I haven't. Number two, is sex education important? Yes, it is. Number three, where should sex education be applied? At home and then at school, sir. Thank you.
Well, welcome Pak Eri. To Eka. Bu Eka Widyan. Bu Ika.
Yes, sir.
Bu Ika.
For number one, have you watched a film entitled Dua Garis Biru? Yes, I have. Two, is sex education important? Yes, it is. Number three, where should sex education be applied? The first time at home and school. Thank you.
Well, welcome Bu Ika. Pak Istad Suadi. Pak Istad Suadi. Pak Istad Suadi. Bu Mami.
Yes, sir. Have you watched a film entitled Dua Garis Biru? No, I haven't. And then, is sex education important? Yes, it is. And then, where should sex education be applied? At home, at school, sir.
Well, thank you. Bu Mami.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Bu Nur. Nurul. Bu Rini.
Yes, sir. Number one, I haven't. Number two, yes, it is. Number three, at home and at school.
Well, thank you, Bu Rini. Bu Siti Walia.
Yes, sir. Number one, no, I haven't. Number two, yes, it is. Number three, and at school.
Thank you, Bu
Thank you.
Siti. Pak Sulis.
Yes, sir. Number one, no, I haven't. Number two, yes, it is. Number three, at home, at school, and I think at society also. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Pak Sulis. Yeah, very complete answer. Yeah. So there are three places for education. First is family, and second is school, and third is society. Ya. Pak Sulis menyebutkan tiga-tiga. Well, thank you. Pak Taufik.
Yes, sir. Number one, have you watched a film entitled Dua Garis Biru? No, I haven't. Number two, is sex education important? Yes, it is. Number three, where should sex education be applied? At school, at home, and climate.
Well, thank you, Pak Taufik. Different idea from Pak Taufik. Well, Pak Trimulyo.
Yeah. Number one, no, I haven't. Number two, yes, it is. Number three, at home and school.
Well, thank you, Pak Trimulyo. Well, then.
Okay, sir.
While reading activity, What is the main idea of first paragraph? What is the main idea of first paragraph?
I will try, sir. Sex education in school.
Well, sex education in school. Just sex education in school. Well, from others. From others.
May I, sir?
Ya, you may, Pak Sulis.
Okay. The main idea of the first paragraph is an issue stating that sex education in school is being given increasing importance
Okay.
as it is.
Yeah, I think it's enough, Pak. Yeah, sex education in school is being given increasing importance. Ya, ini berikutnya adalah penjelasan. Well, thank you, Pak Sulis. Ya, thank you, Pak Sulis. Well, number two. Number two. So you can identify from this one.
May I, sir?
Yeah, you may go.
The most process of sex education in school. The sex education in school can help children understand the impact of sex in their lives. And then it can also answer all the questions that they have regarding their gender body and hormonal changes. Children are often influenced the other gender. And then child sexual abuse is a social malice that is affecting thousands worldwide. And it's much better to teach children about sex in school rather letting them use other resources such as pornographic materials and the internet. And then the problems such as premature pregnancies and of STDs on the rise. And then another pro of sex education in school is that it transforms children into responsible adults. And then that is also.
Well, okay, that's all. Yeah. Well, maybe you can find what do you think of the idea? I mean, the most pro, yeah, pro. So it's argument for, yeah, argument for of sex education. Yeah. Yang paling kira-kira yang paling banyak, ya, yang paling argumen yang paling mana?
Number one, sex
Number
education.
one, yeah.
Yes, in school can
Yeah,
help
number
children
one.
understand the impact of sex in their lives.
Yeah, number one. Well, Thank you, Bu. From others, dari yang lain silahkan. What is the most argument for? What is the most argument for? Ya, pro itu sama dengan argument for ya. Yang paling mendukung ya. Argumen yang paling mendukung untuk sex education in full. Well, this the order, jika melihat urutannya jika melihat urutannya, ekuisi E mungkin yang paling well, then maybe you can also have another opinion. Pak Sulis, Pak Dharma, tadi Turini ya tadi ya.
Yes, sir.
Ya, Bu Pihak. Ya, kalau melihat urutan alasan, ya, if you see from the reason, so the first one, the most argument again, you mean the most argument for is the first one. Ya, biasanya sih melihat urutannya yang pertama ya, karena ini ada diminta membaca sekilas ya. Ya. While reading ya, mungkin ambil yang pertama. Well, then number 3, Bapak Ibu. Number 3.
I will try, sir.
Yeah, you may, Bu.
The most con of sex education.
The most argument for. Sorry, the most.
Yes, sir. The most con of sex education and school talk. Informed teacher can actually hurt the mental make-up students when it comes to sex. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, okay. Good. Thank you. Maybe from other? Dari yang lain silahkan. Do you have another opinion? Well, thank you, Bu. So you can, because while reading activity, yeah, you can find the reason from the order, ya, dari yang alasan pertama. Biasanya alasan pertama itu yang paling kuat, ya, yang paling kuat. Number 4. Number 4. Mungkin ini the writer's attitude ya, kurang R. Number 4. Bapak Ibu sudah capek ini ya, lihat. Number 4. Number 4. Halo, Bapak Ibu, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sudah capek ya Bapak Ibu ya? Ya, kita
Yes, sir.
nanti kita sudahi sesi kita
Yes,
ya.
sir.
Kurang
Let
7
me
menit lagi.
understand, sir. But you still won't understand, sir.
Ya, number 4, ya, number 5 ya, sampai number 5 Bapak Ibu. Number 4 is the writer's attitude toward giving sex education at school. So it is no recommendation ya. It is no recommendation. Tidak ada rekomendasi ya. Sehingga Bapak Ibu tidak bisa menyimpulkan. Kalau ada rekomendasi ada yang disimpulkan. Well, Bapak Ibu, what is the writer's attitude toward
May I
giving? Yeah, you may go.
The writers wants to give a discussion of opinions, the advantages and the disadvantages of sex education in school.
Well, okay. The writer wants to give discussion about advantages and disadvantages at school. Ya, mohon maaf, bentar ada telepon. Waalaikumsalam. J. Baru ngasih nggak apa-apa, sebentar nggak apa-apa. Bu. J. Nanti atau coba saya konsultasikan dengan ketua dulu ini karena ini terkait dengan itu ya, apa pemilihan dosen itu ya, nanti apakah satu ya mestinya kalau paling itu 1 atau 2, tapi saya komunikasikan dengan ketua Ibu J, biar nanti saya komunikasikan dengan ketua panitia dulu, dan nanti saya komunikasi dulu dengan ketua panitia Ibu J. Matur suwun Bu, matur suwun itu. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Well, exactly, Bu. Number 4 and number 5. The last one, number 5. Number 5. Is there any recommendation? Ada nggak rekomendasi di situ?
No.
No. So just
the text is organized in 1, one, issue, and then
Issue.
followed by arguments for, and
Argument
then
for.
arguments against.
Arguments again. There is no recommendation. Well, ya, ini saya melihat Bapak Ibu sudah capek sekali. Kita akhiri. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome, very welcome. Very
Untuk
welcome,
ujian.
Bapak.
Malas. Setiu. Pak Arsani malas.